Yo, 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 this is Sol, also known as SPL Gum, also known as Spatial Gum, also known as Grunt, your hardest team skull Grunt, and this is Pokemon Masters. Guys, it's a bit late, but I think I'm ready to do this. Exchange items from the Dragon that rules the sky. We have 8,196 of these Custom Vouchers 3s. I think this is enough. Elite 4, we have Super Vouchers at 3,500 something. Let's just exchange one by one, then maximize Zinnia's, power up. So getting one by one, 400, then it increases by 40, 440, 480. 520, 560, 600, 640, and so on and so forth until 840 if I'm not mistaken, or was it 800? I think 840, guys. I think I still have enough. Yes, it's 840, guys. The maximum is 840. So 440, 80, 120, 160, 200, 240, 280, 320, 360, 400, and so on and so forth. Now we got all the custom power-ups we need. As for Elite 4 note, should I get these right away? I will think about it because I kind of need gym leader notes as well. So I'll think about it. In the meantime, let's increase the potential of Zinnia. Zinnia, where are you? Where are you, Zinnia? There you are. Only custom power-ups will work on her, not our normal power-ups, guys. So, let's just give her all the custom power-ups she deserves. And increase her HP by 100, attack, and every other stat by 40. Okay, yes!
Feels good to be the best.
And that's it. She is strong now. Yay! And that's it for this video, guys. Zinnia is now, or has 120, 20 custom power-ups now. And I think that's all we can do for her. We cannot upgrade her level anymore. We cannot do anything. Sync Grid is also maximized because that's all she has right now. And moves and skills, we already gave her everything she has to learn. That's it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video. In the meantime, give this a thumbs up, comment your thoughts, share this with your friends, subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you in the next video.